In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link between slides in Google Slides. Whether you're creating a dynamic presentation or just want to seamlessly guide your audience through your content, being able to link between slides can be a game changer. So, let's dive in and explore how you can enhance your presentations with this useful feature. To get started, make sure you're signed into your Google account and have your Google Slides presentation open. This feature works well whether you're building a new presentation or working on an existing one. Once you're in, identify the content you want to use as a hyperlink within your slide. This could be text, an image, or a shape that you plan to connect to another slide in your presentation. Next, select the text or object. This is crucial because only selected content can be linked. Once you've made your selection, right-click on the highlighted area. A menu will appear, providing a variety of options. From this menu, choose Link. A dialog box will pop up on the right side, and this is where the magic happens. In the pop-up, you'll see a section labeled Slides in this presentation. This is where you can choose which slide you want your chosen text or object to link to. Go ahead and click on Slides in this presentation. You will then see a list of all the slides in your deck. Scroll through and click on the slide you wish to link to. This links your selected content to the chosen slide. For a more advanced and professional touch, consider adding some clarity to your link by adjusting the link wording. You can change the text that displays in your slide to clearly convey where the link leads. Just type in the description you want directly into the text box available in the link dialog box. It's always a good idea to test your newly created link to ensure it's working perfectly. Simply click on Present in the top right corner of your screen to start the slideshow. Then, go to the slide containing your new link and click on it. You should be taken directly to your target slide. If you find you need to make adjustments, perhaps changing the destination slide, just select the linked text or object again, right-click, and choose Edit Link. You can then update the link slide as needed. And that's it. Now you know how to link between slides in Google Slides, allowing you to build presentations that are not only more dynamic, but also more interactive for your audience. Practice this a few times to get comfortable, and soon you'll be navigating through your slides like a pro. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.